In the previous part, we learned how to install Traccar. Now, in this part, we will learn how to make it white label. To add a logo, we go to Settings and then navigate to the Server section. And add the attribute Logo Image. And paste the path of the logo. Now, add one more attribute, Inverted Logo Image. I'm adding a Facebook logo here just to demonstrate how you can add a logo. Certainly, let's include another attribute, Server Name. And specify your server name here. After that, click on Save. After saving, let's verify the changes. So we successfully changed the logo. Now, let's change the site title. To change this, we need to log into the server and modify it from the configuration files. For that, copy the IP address. For that, I'm using the tool WinSCP for SFTP access. Log in here using your root credentials. Navigate to the opt directory. Now, go to the Traccar directory. Go to the Modern directory. To change the favicon file, simply replace it with your own favicon. Also, you can replace logo files here and define the path in the server attribute. To change the site title, open the index file. And change the name here to your platform and also update the website link. After making the changes, click on Save. After that, let's check it on the web. Now, go back to the browser and reload the page. Here, the title has been successfully changed. And if you replace the favicon, it has also been changed. To change the maps, you just need to go to Settings and Accounts, then select the map layer you want. Additionally, there's an option for custom maps available. In the next tutorial, I will teach you how to set up an SMTP service, configure Firebase, and also demonstrate how to make the Traccar Android app white label. Thanks for watching.